my favorite IDE just got a brand new update, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this new feature that people have been asking for since 2023 when I released my first video. So back in Zed again, and this time we're going to be showing off the hottest, most requested feature, the Get panel, that has been requested since early 2023 and potentially earlier, but that was when I did my first video on Zed. So as you can see in this bottom left-hand corner, we now have Get panel, which allows you to interact with your repository as well as do all the sort of regular things that you may need to do, such as stage, unstage, open a diff, discard all your track changes, trash untracked files. Here you can open a diff if you want to look at all your diffs, and we'll show this off in full, and obviously get fetch so that you can fetch down the latest if you're not up to date. So here I'm on a test branch, but I could switch to main if I wanted to. But let's go through and show you how this all works together. So I've just got a file from Unki here. It doesn't really have any changes in it. I actually intentionally made changes here so that I could fix them in this video. So we can just go ahead and get rid of this. So now I've made a change to this file and just made a quick edit here. You can now see that this is being tracked by Zed, and we can actually click on this and see the changes that we've made. So here we have this open diff editor, so I can actually make direct changes. So I could say, oh, actually, I did want this back. I could do this, and then, oh, I forgot this part. Hit save, and then that will undo those changes. And then I can go back in here, make the change again. So we can just say, no, this should be this string. And then it gives you the ability to essentially do things thanks to this multi-buffer, which you can learn about more with the link in the description. But once you're ready to go, you can stage all the changes like that. Just click stage all, click commit. Then you've got the option to obviously commit these. We'll just hit change the name for fun. Commit. Now that's ready to go, and I can click this publish here. And obviously that just sets it to the upstream. Obviously we can reset back to head and have this back with the changes that we originally had. And then because I already made changes to this, I can just commit this too. Obviously you can just discard changes as you see fit. This has been one of those long awaited features, and I think it's going to be really, really good. I am in the beta right now. But you should be able to have access to this pretty soon. It works really, really well. I've been really impressed with the fact that I have a giant mono repo that I can move around, see all the changes that I need to, and then kind of play around with those as well. So yeah, the final piece to making Zed a very, very strong candidate for everyone as IDEs.